Hello, my YouTube friends. Thanks for stopping by. It's been about 3 or 4 weeks, so we really need to get right into this. Now, again, this is still the Super Affiliate Network. Let's continue learning about this. In this video, I'm also speaking what my coach, Misha Wilson, is saying and has taught me, and Bootcamp 10. You'll discover how to view your funnel as a whole and how to set expectations correctly when it comes to paid advertising. The popcorn effect will show you how it will work for you in your business. And here is our sales funnel. Now you have the trial offer, which can be $47 a month, or you can skip that trial off and go right into the $37 a month. Now we get about 10% of our leads to go ahead and purchase our front end offer. And again, to purchase for $47 or skip that trial and go right into our $37 a month. And this is all done after the follow-up. And again, our lead will convert into our front end buyers. And the trial comes in when you purchase the Super Affiliate Network for 30 days for $1. Okay? All right, let's continue. Now you have the $397 per year, which is our annual offer. Now on average, we get just about 20% of the people who actually take the trial offer to go ahead and purchase the annual level of membership. We actually do that in a click up sales sequence or in an actual automated webinar. Next is our $2,497 pro level offer. And what we usually get is just about a 20% conversion rate of those front end buyers, once again, into the actual pro level of membership. Now, if that seems high, considering that only 20% of people are only taking the annual level of membership, the reason why we have that high take rate is because we actually have the phone sales team who goes ahead and calls back those buyers. They get more personal with them. And we've changed the actual selling medium, and that leads to increased conversions. Now, these are only averages throughout the Super Affiliate Network, not a guaranteed result whatsoever. Some people outdo these numbers. Some people do go ahead and hit these numbers. Our next one is the $12,497 Maui Intensive offer, which is our Maui Intensive and Coaching Mentorship Program. Now, on average, we get about 33% of our pro buyers to go ahead and take that offer. Go ahead and get started with the Maui Intensive Coaching and Mentorship Program. Once again, 33% of pro buyers, not total customers. That's a huge distinction. But having said that, that is more or less of our Super Affiliate Network sales funnel. We're actually missing a few components of our premium $97 offer, our swipe file offer, and our higher ticket offer, which are more on the back end. But once again, I'm actually showing you these numbers so I can go ahead and portray what I'm trying to give you here today with these training modules with these offers. And once again, I actually want to be conservative. Having said that, this is our actual sales funnel. Now that you have this thing in place, what's the next step? The next step is to always go ahead and send traffic. Send actual people through your sales funnel who will actually end up purchasing your product, sending it up to your offers for greater monetary value, and of course making you a profit. That's really what I want to touch on right now is expectation, and when going ahead and driving traffic to your Super Affiliate Network sales funnel. Now, once again, for sake of simplicity, let's just go ahead and say you spend $1,000 in order to go ahead and get 1,000 clicks. Actually drive 1,000 clicks through your sales funnel. You spend $1,000 ballpark for high quality clicks. Remember, the higher quality of traffic, the better your conversions will be. Every now and then something like this will happen. Now, one of our members stated, you know you got something good when every solo ad brings in a profit just from the front end. And usually this actually is the anomaly. Now, people usually don't earn a profit on the front end immediately from every single traffic campaign you run. The truth of the matter is, on the front end, you usually end up feeling a little frustrated if your expectations aren't set correctly. So what happens is people will spend about $1,000 in advertising. What I just went ahead and talked about make just about 5 front end sales. Let's just say annual sales, and once again, that annual take rate is usually just about 20%. Now, once again, from the front end and that actual annual sale, round down just a little bit in order to go ahead and be conservative. Let's say you make $300 back on spending $8,000, which doesn't look good at first glance, right? This is usually when people go ahead and stop their marketing efforts. As a result, they turn around and blame the traffic source, they blame the system, they blame the offer, they think something is wrong. When the reality of the matter is that everything is exactly how it should be. And once again, just not taking the popcorn effect into account quite yet. So remember, the money is in the list, but the fortune is in the follow-up. A buyer is a buyer, is a buyer, is a buyer. That's it, my YouTube friends, for this video. Don't forget to click or copy this link. If you copy the link, open it up in a new browser so you can learn all about what the Super Affiliate Network is and purchase it for $1 for just 1 month. And then you can keep up with me when I do these videos. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.